Welcome to this peaceful meditation session, where we will immerse ourselves in the calming presence of a waterfall. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, in a place where you can relax without interruptions. Reduce the volume until you can barely hear my voice. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension in your body. With every inhale, imagine drawing in the fresh, pure air of a secluded forest. And with every exhale, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at peace. In your mind's eye, picture yourself walking along a forest path, the ground soft beneath your feet. The sounds of the city fade away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant murmur of a waterfall. As you walk, the sound of water grows louder, guiding you forward. The air becomes cooler, moist with the spray of the waterfall. Finally, you arrive at a clearing where a magnificent waterfall cascades down into a crystal clear pool. Take a moment to admire the sheer beauty of nature's spectacle before you. Find a comfortable spot near the waterfall to sit or stand. Allow the sound of the falling water to fill your senses, washing away all thoughts and worries. Feel the mist from the waterfall on your face and arms, refreshing and revitalizing your skin. Breathe in the energy of the water, feeling it cleanse and purify your spirit. With each breath, draw in strength and peace from the environment. And with each exhale, release any negative thoughts or emotions, letting them flow away with the water. Imagine the water's journey flowing effortlessly over rocks and down into the pool, a cycle of constant movement and renewal. Like the water, allow yourself to let go of what no longer serves you, embracing change and renewal. Reflect on the qualities of the water, its strength, its persistence, its ability to adapt and flow. Embrace these qualities within yourself, feeling empowered and refreshed. Spend a few more moments in this peaceful state, breathing deeply, surrounded by the beauty and power of the waterfall. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Begin to notice the sensation of the air on your skin, the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into your body. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to your surroundings with a sense of peace and renewal. Thank you for joining this meditation. Carry the serenity and strength you have found here with you throughout your day. 正八十哇。